great to see you all, and thank you for joining me here in the map room. I'm Johnny Thunder. I've got something important to show you. That dastardly Sam Sinister is up to no good again, and he's stealing all the treasure from the temple. We've got to stop him. You will soon board a scorpion tracker equipped with laser blasters to take you further into the temple. As soon as you see a target, aim right for it and zap it. Don't worry, we are not on our own. There are two other guys right on our side, Miss Pippin Reed and Dr. Kilroy. Look out for them, they will help us on our way, but they may need our help too. We must put our safety first, so it is vital that you wait behind the gates until you've been asked to board and ensure you place any bags or cargo on the floor in front of you. Pull down on your safety bar before removing your laser blaster and follow any instructions given to you. These are for your own safety. Oh, and keep an eye out for Sam Sinister's cronies. They have hijacked the expedition train and are causing utmost chaos. Right, okay, I think you're just about ready. Now remember, zap the targets with your blasters, get Sam Sinister, save the treasure, and keep your eyes out for Miss Pippin Reed. We better hurry. Come on, everyone, let's go!